how to turn on or turn off matcher content on your stream, on your channel, on Twitch PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple, go to twitch.com. Now go right here to your profile, click on settings, go to settings, and now all what you have to do is simple, just go right here, click on channel and videos. Now all what you have to do is simply click on stream. After you click on stream, now all what you have to do is now go here, you will find this matcher content and you will be able to enable it or disable it as you want from here, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.